Dr. Milton Moore, medical expert on a mission to help people look and feel their very best through quality skincare. What sets this dermatologist apart? Dr. Moore not only diagnoses problems, but offers solutions in the form of products he creates himself.
I create products that are unique, products that work. That's very important for me. Number one is that they work, and they work very effective.
The product line started as a way to help millions of men fix a debilitating, often disfiguring condition, razor rash.
About 60% of African American males suffer with this problem. 15–20% of them suffer to the extent that they can't shave at all, and they have severe ingrown hairs that cause bleeding, it causes pain, discomfort.
So Dr. Moore, armed with degrees in both medicine and pharmacy, set out to do battle against the problem he saw from both the physician and patient perspective.
I decided to create my own products because I really got tired of the problem myself. When I would shave, I would cut bumps, it would bleed, I couldn't button up my collar. And I said, as a pharmacist and a dermatologist, there should be something I can write a prescription for that would solve this problem, but there wasn't.
After years of experimenting and refining, the More Unique product line was born. It started as a skincare regimen to help men get a closer, problem-free shave.
In order to get a patent, you have to show that you're uniquely different in order to get a patent, and we got a patent on our products, and they do work very quickly.
And the More Unique line has grown into a variety of products to address the skincare needs of men and women of all races.
The product is wonderful for shaving legs, underarms. I mean, a very smooth shave. Women like smooth skin. It gives them smooth skin.
Dr. Moore's expertise translates into a medical practice and products that treat many conditions, including hair loss.
So how often are you using the scalp and bump on your scalp?
Every other day.
Every other day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Acne.
Acne is certainly something that we really focus on treating, and we feel we do a very good job of bringing it under control very quickly as well.
And patients flock to Dr. Moore for help removing small moles.
It's called dermatosis papulosa nigra, and we call that DPN for short. And that's these little small unsightly moles that occur and grow as time goes on, and you can't hide them with makeup because they are raised. And it can be removed with a painless laser procedure that takes about 15 minutes. Phosphatidylcholine is injected into the mesoderm, which is the upper middle area of the dermis of the skin.
Dr. Moore also helps patients shed pounds and create body contours through skin injections known as mesotherapy.
You'll see a difference with one treatment after about 2 to 3 weeks in terms of decreased size. But the best results are after having a series of treatments of anywhere from 3 to 5 treatments.
Mesotherapy is a procedure that's garnered media attention and launched Dr. Moore into the spotlight.
But Dr. Moore, the best way for mesotherapy to work apparently is to exercise.
Yeah, you get much better results if you do have an exercise program with it. And that's what we do. We put you on an exercise program along with it. I have a way of life eating program that I also put patients on so that they can have a healthy way of eating afterwards. Because what good is it to look good, but if you're not really healthy? So we're very health conscious overall.
In fact, Dr. Moore's opinion is sought on a variety of skincare topics of local and national interest.
What's going on with more blades? It gives you a wider surface area to cut the skin with so that you have less irritation to the skin when you're passing it over the skin surface.
Now, do men mostly find it around the neckline, or could it be all over?
It can be all over, but the neckline is always the worst. The collar irritates against the skin, and that really makes it worse if they're rubbing up against it.
And Dr. Moore continues refining the products that started it all. Products to help men prone to razor bumps finally get a close shave and shave regularly.
My product will allow them to be able to do that. I'm glad that I've come up with something that's extremely effective, and really I'm trying to get that word out around the world so that this problem is solved for good.
Dr. Milton Moore, making a unique difference in skincare.